specific kind of a sword. Now, check this harpoon.
Sir, this is really exciting. Wow. What balance. What impact did these weapons have when they hit an enemy's body? How deadly were they? And how much damage did they cause? I'm gonna test that.
Vijay, did you enjoy that?
Wow, sir, what a feeling. The balance between the swing and the blade is incredible. And the way it has destroyed the target.
This is
I'm
amazing.
getting an adrenaline rush.
Yes.
I just want to finish it. Should I try this one, sir?
Yeah, sure, you can try.
What was this used for? Because the previous one was definitely for slashing.
That was for slashing and this one is for stabbing. You are transported straight into the Mahabharata.
And sir, what do I say? It went through like butter.
Yes, yes.
You know, I thought it would require a lot of effort because of its movement, but it went right through. And sir,
Yes.
now it's time for the
Sure,
harpoon.
have a look. It's harpoon.
So what do I do?
It's similar to stabbing, but after it's inside, curve it a little before pulling it out. Go for it.
I'll try it, sir.
Please try.
So this angle,
Yes, yes.
and then I just...
Once inside, twist it a bit and then pull it out.
Wow, sir, just look at that. It isn't coming out easily. And it will actually, as you were saying,
Yes,
pull
yes.
out all the internal organs
You
and...
need to feel how these weapons were crafted 5,000 years ago.
So there's only one word for this, lethal.
Yes, it is very dangerous.
Because a single blow would cause immense damage.
That's right.
Oh, sir, you were not joking about this trial.
Yes, Ranavijay, I have made these specially for you. Try it out on this.
So tell me, the first attack, where should it be?
The attack is always aimed at the neck.
Ideally, you should go for the neck because in a single blow,
Yes, absolutely.
you can kill your enemy and you can move
Yeah,
forward
right.
as a
Give it a
warrior.
try.
Okay. This test proves that the weapons of that era were very advanced and deadly and could easily turn the tide of any battle fought at that time. Now, with a lot of enthusiasm, I'm advancing in my quest towards Barnawa to learn more about the connection between Copper Hodes and the Mahabharata. I'm on my way to meet Dr. D.V. Sharma, who is a former student of B.B. Lal sir and has worked alongside him on many excavations. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, young man. How are you?
Very good. Good to see you, sir. Thanks for taking out time. So when we read about Mahabharata, it is written that the world had never seen a battle like that. The weapons that were used, nobody had seen or heard about those weapons. Could these be the weapons that were talked about in
You see,
Mahabharata?
the data we have today with us suggests that this culture is found between Sindhu to Ayodhya. And this culture was flourishing. The OCP culture in association with
Copper Hodes.
copper hoards. And no attacker could withstand these lethal weapons, making this region invincible. What you call a harpoon, I refer to as a Shakti. It was such a deadly weapon. We have found coins of the Gupts depicting Kartikeya standing with harpoon. This leads me to believe that if a god, the son of Shiv, is depicted with a harpoon, could these weapons have been used in the Devasur battles? The tradition from those times have carried through to the present. So I think it's very likely that the advanced weapons used in the Mahabharata would have been available in this setting and would definitely be used then.
Because we've read about these arrows that could kill 100 enemies at the same time. So you think that all the literature on the battles, the wars, actually refer to these weapons?
I believe that if the Mahabharata describes weapons, for instance, Agni missiles and other lethal arms capable of wiping out entire armies, then I think there may have been, I personally believe, that some sort of exaggeration by the poets. But I agree that the best technological advances in weaponry of that era were indeed used in the Mahabharata. And it's very much possible that we may come across similar weapons in some future excavation. For this, you will need to research and wait